Africa's alarm clock. From Cape to Cairo, for 60,000 years, one sound signaled to all life that it was time. Today, that same call remains the herald of dawn for 1.4 billion people across 54 countries, 3,000 cultures, and 2,000 languages. This is the cry of the ibis, Africa's alarm clock. For hundreds of years, old Europe announced the arrival of kings with trumpets. For thousands of years, Asia announced the arrival of emperors with gongs. But for tens of thousands of years, in the Kemetic land of old ancient Egypt, it was Thoth, the ibis, who cried the call of the arrival of the king amongst kings, the emperor amongst emperors, the god above gods. Ra, the sun. The sun whose honor predates any steeple. The sun, the first deity honored amongst any people. Today, in the cradle of a baby city, in a charming town, both old and pretty, twixt the gold mines of forgotten days, where boys and girls run out to play, between the logs of jacarandas, where cats and dogs roam on verandas, and climb the rocks of ancient koppies, while moms and dads sip cups of coffee. Ra has commissioned his golden light to shine on a temple humble and bright, to bring a touch of sweet delight to every Joburger, every visitor, and every Melvilleite. So when you hear the cry of the hardy-dar, remember you are welcome from near and far. There is a place for all at Realms of Ra. Welcome to Realms of Ra.